Hey buddy, pay attention because in this video we will tackle the top 5 common mistakes in TOEFL writing and how to avoid them. These mistakes can hinder your score, but with our guidance, you'll learn how to navigate these challenges effectively. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Including outside information in Task 1. Task 1 of the TOEFL writing section, the integrated writing task, requires you to summarize and compare information from reading and listening materials. A common mistake is adding personal knowledge or external information not presented in the sources. I recommend you in this task to focus on the information provided in the reading and listening messages, especially the listening message. Your response should reflect a relationship between these sources, without any adding from outside knowledge. Stick to comparing, contrasting, and summarizing the given materials, and don't give your opinion. The common mistake number 2. Repeating the same information in Task 2. The academic discussion task, Task 2, asks for your opinion on a specific topic. Some test takers retire the same points throughout the essay from the professor's post or the two students' opinion, without adding new insights or depth to their arguments. What you should do in this task is to develop a clear thesis statement and plan diverse supporting details. Each paragraph should introduce a new idea or angle supporting your thesis. Variety in argumentation keeps your essay engaging and demonstrates critical thinking. Remember, no copy-paste in Task 2. Mistake number 3. Using unfamiliar vocabulary. In an attempt to impress some students, use complex vocabulary they are not fully comfortable with, leading to misuse and confusion. This is so dangerous. Don't even try to use hard vocabulary that you are not good at. To solve this problem, you should use vocabulary you are familiar with. Clarity is more valuable than complexity. It's important to express your ideas clearly and accurately, rather than risk misusing advanced vocabulary. Before moving further, I'd like to introduce you to our TOEFL courses. We have more than 22 practice tests, suitable study plans, certificates of completing, and the best template to use. You should go down and click on the link now. Another common mistake is uncertainty about spelling. Spelling errors can detract from the professionalism and clarity of your essay. Unsure spelling might lead to confusing or incorrect words, affecting your score. Plus, when they check your answer, the spelling mistakes has a red line under the words. So that's a devastating mistake. If you're unsure about the spelling of a word, it's better to change it with a synonym that you know how to spell correctly. Accuracy in spelling is essential for a polished essay. The last common mistake of TOEFL writing is mixing up tenses. Incorrectly switching between tenses can confuse readers and disrupt the flow of your essay, making it difficult to follow your narrative or argument. So, before writing, decide on the appropriate tense for your essay and stick to it. Usually, you will use the present symbol for Task 1 and the past symbol for Task 2. Stick to one tense in the same paragraph and don't mix up. Also, revising your essay can help catch and correct mistakes in tense. Avoiding these common pitfalls in TOEFL writing requires practice and well preparation. By focusing on these areas, you can enhance the clarity, coherence, and overall quality of your essays. Thank you for watching our lesson on avoiding common pitfalls in TOEFL writing. Implement these strategies in your practice sessions and watch your writing improve. Happy writing and best of luck on your TOEFL journey.